guys, so for your family living project, this is your first one for this book that we're starting, just started, and this is going to be a project that you're going to be working on this week, so February 1st through the 5th. But last week you read all about relationships. You read about relationships with friends, with each other, with parents, possible dating relationships. And so really, when you think about relationships, with all the different relationships that you have, whether they be with your brother or your sister or your mother or your friends at school, all of those relationships have one thing in common, and that thing, of course, is you. You are in all of those relationships. And I want you this week to create a slideshow in which you're going to be exploring 5 verses from the Bible that talk about how to grow as a Christian. And then I want you to reflect on those verses within the slideshow. And the reason that we're doing this project is because we want to always strive to be better versions of ourselves. And the only way that we can be a better version of ourselves is if we know Scripture and we apply Scripture to our hearts. So there are lots of different verses that you can choose from. You can choose verses that talk about being patient. You can choose verses that talk about being loving. You could choose verses that talk about being someone who bears another person's burdens, any verses like that that help us grow as Christians and therefore grow as people and help our relationships to flourish. So that's what your project is this week. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.